Hi guys, it's Parchi and it's can that be my line now? Okay, sure.
Kung parang sabi sa amin, hindi kami pwede mag-off ng Friday, mag-off na kami ngayon.
Yeah, can we change now?
Kasi, pero gising na kami
Sure
na.
not.
Kaya lang yung utak mo, hindi na
I love this. It's so very. You never tried it before and now you love it?
Nag-itlog-itlog kami ng
I hope
11:30. Kaya hanggang
it's
hindi
nice.
pa kami kumakain kasi tagdalawang itlog ba naman kami kung hindi ka mapusok.
My name is Summer, her name is Marian. And this is my voice reveal. Say your voice reveal. Like this one. Yeah, that's her real voice reveal. This is my real and her real. If you want it, I hope you like it. I'm so sad that it's not good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the vanilla because it's so shiny. Oh, it's about to end.